Topic: density. Why does an iron nail float on mercury and sink in water? Oh, looks like you are stuck in the middle of a huge sea.
Oh, really? I had no idea.
No, don't take the nail into water. It will sink. Take the nail into mercury. It will float and help you reach the shore.
You were bluffing. How will the nail float in mercury?
Please listen to me.
Oh, no.
See, I warned you. Will you now use the nail in mercury?
Yeah, I will.
Do you know why the iron nail sank in water and floated on mercury? It is because of density. Density is the measure of mass present per unit volume.
Oh.
Lesser the density of the fluid, lesser will be the upward force exerted by the fluid on the object placed in it. In the first case, the iron nail sinks in water because the density of water is comparatively less than the iron nail. As water is less dense, the upward force exerted by it on the nail is less. Hence, the nail sinks in water.
Oh.
However, in the second case, as the density of mercury is comparatively more than the iron nail, the upward force exerted by mercury is more. Hence, the nail floats on mercury.